Hey guys, I'm George D. Have you ever picked up your guitar to practice and it sounds like this? Well, there's something you can do about it, and today I'm going to teach you how to tune your guitar with and without a guitar tuner. You're going to be tuning your guitar pretty much every time you practice, so it's important that you know how to do it on your own. If you don't tune your guitar, your playing is never going to sound right, no matter how much you play. Tuning your guitar can seem intimidating at first, but it's actually pretty easy once you get the hang of it. And remember, if you find this video helpful, hit those like and subscribe buttons below. It really helps the channel and it'll help you get new videos as I put them out. So the first thing you need to know are the notes of each string on the guitar. Starting with the high E string, our notes are E, B, G, D, A, and E. Now, a good way to remember this is the acronym Every Boy Gets Donuts After Eating, but after a while of playing, this will become pretty much second nature. Tuning with an electric tuner is the most precise way to tune, and it's pretty much foolproof once you know the notes of each string and know how the tuner works. Basically, a tuner works by picking up the sound waves produced by the guitar and displaying what it detects in notes on the screen, allowing you to adjust the pitch. So what you're going to do is play each string, let it ring out, and wait for the tuner to display a note. Based on your tuner's readout, turn your tuning pegs to adjust the pitch. In this case, our E is a little sharp, so we're going to adjust the pitch downward. Every tuner is different, but they usually work on a similar system. In this case, we want the tuner to display the correct note, we want the dial to be centered, and we want the green light to be on. If the dial's off to the right or to the left, or if one of the red lights is on, it means that the note is either sharp or flat, and the pitch needs to be adjusted. So if you don't have an electric tuner, that's okay. You can still tune your guitar. You'll just need a reference point that you can tune the rest of your strings to. If you're with another musician who's in tune, ask that musician to play a low E and tune your low E to that. If you're alone, go ahead and bookmark this video, and you can use it as a reference point when you tune. So once it's in tune, play your low E string while holding down the 5th fret. So starting at the headstock, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This note should be an A. Now play the open string below it. This note should also be an A, and the tones should match. If the tones don't match, turn the tuning peg until they do. Now that our A string is in tune, we can use it to find the correct tone for the D string. Repeat the process and play the A string at the 5th fret to find the correct tone for the D string. Now play the D string at the 5th fret to find the correct tone for the G string. Finding the correct tone for the B string is a little different. We're going to play the G string at the 4th fret. And finally, to find the correct tone for the E string, we're going to play the B string at the 5th fret. Our guitar should now be in tune. So if you're slightly more advanced, you can use something called harmonic tuning to tune up. This is personally my favorite way to tune, and I know a lot of guitar players end up tuning this way when they don't have a tuner, mainly because it's one of the most reliable ways to tune. So to play a harmonic, place your finger on the 5th fret on the E string without pressing down. Pluck the string and you should hear a ringing tone like this. This is a 5th fret harmonic on the E string. Now do the same on the A string, but on the 7th fret. You'll notice that the two tones sound the same. So if you play the 5th fret harmonic on the E string, you can tune the A string by playing the 7th fret harmonic at the same time. You can do this with every other string pair, except for the G string and the B string. To tune these strings, we're going to play the 9th fret harmonic on the G string and tune the B string with the 5th fret harmonic. It should sound like this. It's slightly harder to hear, but you can get it to ring out if you have the right touch. So that's it for tuning your guitar, guys. Practice these methods, subscribe, and keep an eye out for the next video.